Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you on how to edit your course name, specifically the full name and the short name. As you can see, our courses being uploaded contains a number at the end of the course name, both for short name and full name. And at the same time, this tutorial is also applicable if you want to edit something like your descriptive title, correcting a spelling on the title, or even in the name of the course. So select any course that you want to edit its name. Go to the edit settings under the gear icon or cookie button. Then click edit settings. Then you will be prompted with the display settings page. On the full name field, simply go at the end of the line, highlight or the number, then delete or backspace. Proceed with the short name at the second line. Same thing, highlight the number including the underscore, press backspace or either delete, and then you're done. So in doing so, by the way, you are not advised to change any uh, character or maybe the sequence of name, the full name and the short name, except for maybe some misspelled words or letters. Okay. After you did it, click go to the bottom, then click save and display. And okay, and then you're done. Good to go. Thank you for watching.